Hello guys, myself Sandeep. Welcome to my channel Microsoft World. In previous video, we told about how to install and download VMware application, how to create VMware machines, and I told you about how to deploy Windows 11 operating system. Today, I would like to explain you about how to deploy the Windows Server 2022 on Windows Workstation. Now I am running the virtual machine. Here you can select the language. I'm selecting as United States and click on next. Click on install. Here you can see Windows Server 2022 Standard Evolution, Windows Server 2022 Standard Evolution desktop experience, data evolution, also desktop experience. You can see Standard Evolution means we can run this all application as terminal only. It is for desktop experience. As of now, I am selecting desktop experience. Also in discussion, I will mention what was the difference between these all. Click on next. Now I need to accept the license agreement and click on next. Click on customize install operating systems. Here I need to allocate the space. I'm allocating the space as 60 GB. Now click on next. Now it was installing files and it was getting some files to install. Let's see. Installing the features. Now it was installing the updates of operating system server. It's almost done. It was installing our system. You can see guys, here it was asking administrator password. It was the main password. Don't forget, this is only password. Coming forward, it will help you a lot. I'm giving the password. Click on finish. It's almost done. Click on Control Alt Delete. Give password. Enter. Now it was applying your Windows. Yeah guys, you can see Windows Server 2022 was installed. It was actually detecting your network. Click on next. See you can see here some server manager is coming. I will tell you what was this. What was this? Okay, guys. This was that I have installed Windows Server 2022 in VMware application. In coming video, I will tell you about how to add Active Directory domain services through this server manager. Exactly what is the server manager means? In this server manager, we can add so many roles and features. We can remove so many rules, features, and we can manage the servers. We can add other servers also. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.